Is your customer coming in complaining of their steering wheel being crooked while driving straight? Or maybe a pull to one side or another while driving? Well, chances are they need a wheel alignment, and they probably aren't paying attention to their regular vehicle maintenance intervals. That's when you step in. Let's talk about when you should recommend a wheel alignment to your customers and why. A wheel alignment is an important suspension tuning tool that influences the operation of your vehicle's tires. And let's face it, the alignment of a vehicle is complex. When talking about vehicle alignment, you're talking about a system of suspension angles that are being measured and a variety of suspension components that are being adjusted. It's not only important for you to know the alignment angles of camber, caster, and toe, but it's also important to use that information to describe to customers why their car is out of alignment and what will happen to their costly tire investment if they refuse an alignment service. So let's go over a few customer questions and how to address them. I've actually called in a friend to help. First, what exactly is an alignment? This gets tough without getting into the weeds. A good response is, during an alignment, a technician will adjust the suspension angles on your vehicle using technology we have in the shop so that your vehicle travels straight down the road and you have a comfortable ride. So, why do my tires get out of alignment? Well, dear customer, it could be for a variety of reasons, really. Naturally, your suspension parts wear over time, and anytime they take a hit, whether by hitting a pothole, a curb, or anything in a minor accident, it can cause the alignment to get knocked out of place. So, what's the worst case scenario if I don't get an alignment today? Well, you should really get one soon, especially if you're experiencing weird handling with your vehicle. It's not so much about what happens today, but more about what happens over time. If the suspension is out of alignment, it leads to uneven pressure on the tires. This, over time, causes the tires to wear unevenly, which could lead you to purchase tires sooner than you would have needed to with a proper alignment. Secondly, it won't be comfortable to drive in your vehicle. When tires begin to wear unevenly, you may feel a vibration in the steering wheel, which could lead to other problems. And lastly, your car works harder when the tires wear unevenly. The harder the car works, the more fuel it burns. So when the wheels are out of alignment and the tires begin to wear unevenly, you'll end up paying more money in gas. So try these out at the counter. Hopefully your customer walks away with a better understanding of their vehicle. And remember to tell them that it is recommended that an alignment check and potentially service be performed on their vehicle about every 6 months, or immediately if they've hit something that could have caused damage. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tire, service, and shop operations videos. I'm Maddie Weiner, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.